Hello, my name is Jason Buck and I work with Remax Estate Properties. I'm here on Via La Cresta. This is 30676. We have a 3-car garage over here and we have a really gorgeous home. This is stunning. Walk in, you got the covered patio, nice entrance, all tile, red doors, just gorgeous amenities, beautiful fixtures. So we come into the side here, we've got your formal living room. Really nice attributes. It looks like double pane windows. You got the fireplace. And then we come through here to the dining. And then here we in the kitchen. Really nice cabinets. Gorgeous, real good look here. Nice countertop. Ooh, craft made, gorgeous tongue and groove. That's good stuff. And then a sink with an ocean view. Can't be beat. That is just gorgeous. You got a little bit of a nook here. I like the look of all the lights and everything. This is great. You got the slate staircase. You got a little bar here that looks out onto the family room. So that's really nice. All access to the outside. It's just too cool. And we have a downstairs room here. And a downstairs bath. 3/4, not bad. Oh, and then direct access to the garage. Wow, huge garage. 3-car, laundry, storage. Really nice. Really neat paint here too. So this would be the master. Awesome view. You got a walk-in closet. One with the window, that's nice. Ventilation. Beautiful big closet. Coming out, good size room. Skim ceilings. The view is incredible. Huge view. And then here's the big bath. Nice tile. Oh, so there's a sink in here, the shower, and then another sink outside. It's nice. Looks good. Beautiful big open entrance. Love that. Coming around to the other end. Using this as a workout room. Another room here used as an office, and what a great office. This would just be, you're looking right down at the Abalone Cove. Oh my God, this is a beautiful office. This is just incredible. And then out this way towards Catalina Island, over Terranea. Just gorgeous. Awesome. And there's still one more room up here. You have a big bath. Look at the granite, beautiful granite. Love it. Full tub, all travertine backsplash. And the final room upstairs. Very nice, all double paned. This is gorgeous. Really cool. All right, and here we are outside. There's some grass area and just a huge, nice little patio too, but a huge view. I mean, just incredible. And so we're out over Hawthorne Boulevard. But this is just amazing. So all that is protected land. It should stay, most of it should stay open. Looking right down onto Abalone Cove. Wow. Trump in the distance. And then this is Terranea over here. And you got all Catalina out there. Awesome. Good looking home. If you would like more information on this listing or another, please write to me at jason@jasonbuck.com and I'd be happy to help you. Make it a great day.